Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you are doing absolutely amazing. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about conditional operators. So as per the name you can understand that this will operate a condition. So let's go to the PPT and understand what is actually conditional operator, how it works. So if the condition is true, then second part will execute. If the condition is true, as you can see on the second, and in first there is you should to mention the condition there. So after that, if the condition is true, second part will execute. Otherwise, in other cases, third part will execute. So let's take an example with an ATM machine. So in your ATM machine or in bank, there is a condition. The condition is running. Like just imagine if you have $1,000 in your bank account, and if you will go to the ATM card, so it will only withdraw the amount less than or less than $1,000. If you will input 2,000, 3,000, then third condition will run. If the condition is false, then other thing will run. So let's go to the code area and see with the example, because this is our last operators. So hopefully you will get all the operators, and if you have any type of issue, so you can just DM me on Instagram, link is in the desk. So we are here in coding area. So first of all, let's remove this single line and we will mention here our code. So first of all, as usual, we'll declare some functions. Let's check a is equals to 5, b is equals to 10, and we need to just take another value. So just write it num as a number. So yeah, don't be confused with the num, because I will explain you it properly. So first of all, what we are going to do is we have taken num as a, as you can see, as an answer. So if the condition is a is less than b, so this is our condition. So after that, what we need to do is we will use question mark, and again we will write, sorry, a b. So our code is ready. So let's print it out, and after that we will get the details what we have write. Sorry. So let's write the answer as the answer is, or you can the answer or the maximum value is, the max value is, and let's write it plus num. I have just write here num as an answer. As you can see, here answer, here answer, and we will have declare the num for on answer only. So let's run this code, and after that we will see what will be the output. So obviously the output is the greater value is 10. So yeah, the maximum value is 10, as you can see on the output section. So let me explain it again. What we have done on this code is, first of all, we have declared integer a is equals to 5, b is equals to 10, and a number which is, you can also write it as answer, or you can take whatever you want. After that we will declare it here, and after that we have run our code. We have write our main code, we have write our condition. So here the condition which is question mark, here another condition. If the condition is true, so a will run, and if the condition is false, then b will run. So here you can see that b will run because a is greater than b. So yeah, no, not a is obviously less than. So let's write here 50 and then run it again. So as you can see on the output, the answer, okay, sorry, the answer is 50. Yeah, the max value is 50. That is why it is, you have got this here. So this is how the conditional operator works. This is really very simple, very much simple. And from next video we are going to learn if as conditions, some for loops, do while loop, and other stuff also. So please, if you have not subscribed yet, so go ahead and subscribe. And before going ahead, just like this video and hit the bell icon also with the subscribe. And if you have any doubts, so please let me know in the comment section. And also if you have really like this video, so go and just comment if you have liked this video. And please, as usual, do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye.